Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. His faithful love endures forever. Amen. Do your braid outs look like this on day 2? Yeah. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get definition that will last for days. And most importantly, stretch your type 4 hair using only 6 braids. Yes, 6. And this is my hair after 2 whole weeks. It's still full of definition. So make sure you watch until the end to find out how. Sorry to interrupt, but make sure that you subscribe. It's free. And make sure you hit the bell button so that you do not miss any of my uploads. I don't know about you, but my type 4 hair has a mind of its own. And for me to get her to cooperate, I have to do a lot of pleading. I don't like to do small braids because I don't know about you, but it already takes me a whole entire day to wash my hair. And I definitely don't want to take another day just braiding and twisting. That is 2 days of my life I can never get back, and it's just not realistic to my lifestyle. And I'll also be showing you how my hair looks after 2 weeks. So this really does work, guys. Make sure you watch to the end. Oh, and if you're tired of your short hair not growing and want to know how I've actually grown my hair so long, definitely check out my hair goals series where I'm teaching you how to grow your hair to waist length. So let's get right into the video. I know you're super eager to know how I get my hair to last for days. Starting with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, make sure you do check out my wash day and deep conditioning routine for more details. That will be in the cards. I apply my favourite leave-in, oil and gel for my type 4 low porosity hair. So I'm going to be working in 6 sections and I'm going to be applying those products in that order. Working in each section, I'm going to apply the leave-in conditioner, the oil and the gel as I said, and I'm really going to make sure that my hair is saturated, especially in the conditioner and oil, because this allows my hair to maintain moisture for a hell of a lot longer. If you have hair similar to mine, it will actually allow your hair to last for so much longer, and it will enable your hair to be a lot more moisturized. So working in the front section, I'm actually going to be doing a cornrow in the front 2 sections, and then I'm going to do full braids in the back 2. If you want a more detailed on how I cornrow, then let me know below. But ultimately, I'm doing 6 braids in total, going to make sure the front 2 have cornrows and the back 2 and the back 4, are single braids. I do find that cornrows actually give me a bit more definition, and that's exactly what I want for the front of my hair. Another tip is to ensure that you actually braid not all the way down, but you just curl your ends at the end and make sure that your hair is really smooth, making sure that you detangle any knots, any frizzy bits, to ensure you get the smoothest of smoothest braid outs. And a trick that's really important to make sure that your hair doesn't just shrivel up with all the product and moisture that you have is actually stretching your hair out even further by stretching your braids around your head, but not too tight that it actually causes tension, but make sure that your hair is stretched even further, because if you leave your braids alone, they will literally just shrivel up, and that's fine if that's the look you want to go for. But if you want even more stretched hair, then I definitely recommend that you stretch them. I didn't have clips whilst I was filming, so I just tried to illustrate it using these pink clips. Another really good tip is to actually make sure that your hair is completely dry and set before you release it. And that could be waiting an entire night and the whole day by rocking a headscarf for the rest of the day. That will allow your hair to really set, because you don't want to ruin an entirely good braid out by releasing it just too early whilst it's still damp and wet. That is a disaster waiting to happen. So the next day, it's really important to actually use some form of oil on your hands whilst you're releasing your braids so you don't frizz them out too much. And I would also recommend that you only separate your curls where your hair would naturally fall, especially on day 1, and try not to fluff it out too much, because it will actually cause much more frizz as time goes on. So I definitely recommend that you fluff only on day 2, not on day 1, because that will allow your hair to last for a hell of a lot longer. And these are the results. If you're interested in finding out how I grow my hair so long in such a short period of time, definitely do check out my hair goals series, where you'll find all the information you need to know, and I'm still uploading to this, so make sure you stay tuned for my new upload. This is my hair after 2 whole weeks of wearing this braid out. So definitely take heed to all of my advice. It definitely does work. Make sure you subscribe, like and comment below. How do you like to do your braid out?